Good morning, afternoon, or good evening to you, friend. Welcome to my channel, and if this is your first time visiting, I greet you with warm welcome. However, if you are a regular visitor to my channel, I must say, and I swear, I am not turning into a food review channel. I just don't know what to do. And I also just really love food. But I hate the amount of money that I spend on it. But not enough to not make YouTube videos about it, so here we are again. This video will chronicle my adventures to the nearest Krispy Kreme bakery or Dunkin Donuts shop in my town. And at each location, I will be purchasing one coffee drink because I loves me coffee. And of course, one donut. And the pastry of choice is a glazed raspberry or jelly-filled donut. And I'm pretty sure Dunkin Donuts and Krispy Kreme do donuts quite well. So I am very much looking forward to being able to eat not one, but two of my favorite kinds of donuts. And I know DD sells sandwiches and ice cream, but I don't know if the crisp of the cream does also. So yeah, I will just be purchasing one drink and one donut. Sounds pretty good to me. And do you want to know what else is pretty good? The fact that you chose to share some of your precious time with little old me. Thank you. Was that too aggressive? I meant it. I mean it though. Thank you. Welcome to your typical Krispy Kreme versus Dunkin Donuts taste test food review. I mean, when you look it up on YouTube, no matter how you sort it, it's all been done before. Nothing's original, nothing's new under the sun. But the only thing new that I could bring to this type of video, to this genre, I guess, is that it is me. Me! Once you've seen one, you've seen them all, you know? So yeah, let's get started. I have ordered an iced latte from both Dunkin Donuts and Krispy Kreme. Both of them have whipped cream. Both of them have... Okay, actually this one has caramel syrup on the top, and this one has like powdered cinnamon or something. Yeah, but they're both iced lattes. But the real question is, the important question is, which one of these tastes the best? All right, Krispy Kreme is first. No, please, not me. I'll do anything. I have a family. Spare me. Wait, what is that? No! Please. I'm sorry, Krispy Kreme, but it's come to that time when the ice is melting and it's ruining the flavor of the coffee. So, I have to drink you now, or else I'll just pour you down the sink. Would you really like that? No, I guess not. Oh yeah, let me get some asthma in there.
Hey guys, so I bought a Krispy Kreme iced latte and I'm gonna be drinking it really close to the microphone. You ready?
Ah, that's some good shit. Yeah, this is very good. Now, wet hands. I cannot give it a rating until I try the other one. Wow, that's good. Oh, am I gonna lose the straw? Let's see. If I push the straw in, is it gone? Oh no, okay. Alright, never mind. I thought the straw was shorter than the actual cup size. Alright, anyway. Ultimately, Dunkin Donuts wins the coffee taste test review extravaganza. I don't know. It wins. It is delicious. It tastes like caramel and cinnamon. It's probably because of that cinnamon powder on top, but I'm not very sure. It's so good. Very sugary. This is also a sugary beverage. It looks like coffee, but it is deceiving you. They just took a bunch of sugar and then some caramel, a little bit of that, and then some milk. And stirred it up. 7 out of 10. And Krispy Kreme, 4 out of 10. Alright, a little warning. Please, don't take anything that I say seriously whatsoever, because I have no idea what I'm talking about. That's just a little secret between you and me, okay? I mean, all these other idiots on the internet. Now, for the real test, am I right? Boom, boom, croissant. All right, okay. These are donuts. You like that? I just ripped it open. Hey, is this important to show you? Womp, womp, womp. What is this? Dunkin Donuts. What is this? It's a sad donut. Don't look at me. Now it's time for the obligatory presentation review. Which one of these looks better? Hey, I saw you from across the way, and I just wanted to say, you're beautiful. You talking to me? All right, taste test time. Let's get this video over with. Am I right? Because let's be honest, a Krispy Kreme versus Dunkin Donuts taste test review video should not exceed 12 minutes. All right. Now that is a yummy, yummy donut. Holy moly.
Donut shop.
Holy moly, donut shop.
The jelly of the Dunkin donut is a lot sweeter than the Krispy Kreme donut. But the Krispy Kreme donut is 100 times better than the Dunkin donut. Ah! Probably have food. Crumbs all everywhere. I'm a crumb now. That's not a good thing. That concludes the video. In terms of coffee, Dunkin Donuts, hands down. But when it comes to the actual pastry of donut, the art of donut making, Krispy Kreme's hands down. Creme de la creme. Krispy Kreme. Yeah, so